this is how you add a news article. So click on the news article and add new article. Here you're able to add the title of the news article, the byline, which is the author of the article. You can either type your name in, or you can type in Clever Sock. Leader, this is where you, it kind of acts as a summary. It'll show up on the news section of your site without the reader having to click through onto the main article. The display period, this is when you would like the article to be displayed until. We recommend setting it for a year, and then we also recommend clicking show and archive once that year's up, so that the next Club and Sock members are able to see all the previous articles you've written. Then comes options. If you click enable sharing, this allows people to share your article. This allows people to comment on your article and also rate your article. So we tend to keep all these ticked. Tags, so if you tag your article with Team ABBA and your Clever Sock, it allows it to be easily found. We also can tag this if you're creating a Welsh article for the Welsh side of our website. You can type in Welsh and it'll show up on the Welsh side of the website. Then image, if you click select image, you can either take one from your previous uploads, or if you choose a file, it'll take you to your desktop. Next, this works just much like Word. You type in your text in this main box and then have options to align it, click different sizes and fonts, add in pictures and embed YouTube videos and tables, things like that. Or alternatively, you can add a URL. So this will completely take you to the URL that you've included, and you won't actually see any of the text that you would have included here. So make sure that if you do include text, that you don't include a URL, because it will completely bypass the text that you have done. And then at the end, if you click approve article, this and press save, this will publish your article onto your Clever Sock site. However, if you're not ready to publish the article yet, you just untick the article's approved and it'll show up in your future article section, which you can see here. So if you click feature and then apply, you'll see all your drafted news articles. Also, you can see expired articles, so ones that previous Club and Socks have done here. And you can also see the current ones that are actually, live on your Clever Sock site, and you can see the deleted articles as well.